What if I tell you that you don't need protein powders, fat burners, or expensive supplements to build a fit and strong body? Yes, 100% natural, no shortcuts, no fake promises. In this video, I'll show you how real fitness actually works using simple habits that anyone can follow. Why supplements are not mandatory. Let's clear one big myth first. Supplements are called supplements for a reason. They are not magic and they are not compulsory. Fitness companies spend millions convincing people that without powders, you can't grow muscle or lose fat. That's simply not true. For decades, athletes, soldiers, and farmers built powerful bodies with real food, hard work, and discipline, not tubs and shakers. Rule number 1, fix your nutrition. Real food only. If you want a fit body naturally, food is everything. You don't need fancy diets, just follow these basics. Eat whole foods, avoid junk, sugar, and processed snacks, eat enough protein from natural sources. Best natural protein sources: eggs, milk and yogurt, chicken, fish, lentils, chickpeas and beans, nuts and seeds. Your body understands food, not lab-made powders. Rule number 2, calories matter, but don't obsess. Whether you want to lose fat or gain muscle, calories decide everything. Fat loss equals eat slightly less than you burn. Muscle gain equals eat slightly more than you burn. No need to count every grain of rice, just control portions. Half plate vegetables, 1/4 protein, 1/4 carbs. Simple, sustainable, natural. Rule number 3, strength training is non-negotiable. Cardio is good for health, but strength training builds your body. You don't even need a gym. Natural bodybuilding exercises: push-ups, squats, pull-ups, planks, lunges, dips. Train 3 to 5 days a week. Progress slowly. Focus on form, not ego. Muscle grows from tension plus consistency, not supplements. Rule number 4, sleep is your natural steroid. Most people ignore this, big mistake. When you sleep, muscles recover, fat burns better, hormones balance naturally. If you sleep only 4 to 5 hours, no supplement can save your progress. Aim for 7 to 9 hours daily. This is free, powerful, and 100% natural. Rule number 5, water equals hidden performance booster. Dehydration kills strength and energy. Drink water after waking up, before meals, and during workouts. No detox drinks, no fancy bottles, just clean water. Rule number 6, be patient. Real results take time. Natural fitness is slow, and that's a good thing. No crashes, no rebounds, no health damage. Expect visible changes in 4 to 6 weeks, strong transformation in 3 to 6 months, lifestyle change in 1 year. Consistency beats intensity every time. Biggest mistakes people make. Avoid these if you want real results: copying influencers blindly, overtraining without recovery, eating too little, chasing shortcuts, quitting too early. Fitness is not a 30-day challenge, it's a lifetime skill. Mental fitness matters too. A fit body starts in the mind. Set realistic goals, stop comparing yourself, track progress weekly, celebrate small wins. Confidence grows when you keep promises to yourself. Final truth: you don't need supplements to look good, feel strong, and stay healthy. All you need is real food, smart training, good sleep, water, patience. That's it. If you want a strong, fit body the natural way, start today, not tomorrow. Like this video, subscribe for real fitness content, and comment natural if you're choosing health over shortcuts.